Welcome to Miss B once again. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're tuning from. I am Bernadette, originally from Baguio City, Philippines, and now living here in Canada as an early childhood educator, a proud digital business owner, and a child of God. So, tonight, or today, or this afternoon, I have a special guest for today. So meet Mary Ann, a loving wife, devoted mom, a full-time sales administrator who is also building her journey as an online business mentor. So, like many hardworking moms, she balances family, career, and personal growth every day. So, despite her busy schedule, Mary Ann chose to step outside her comfort zone and explore the world of online business. Today, she continues to learn, grow, and inspire others who are also looking for opportunities to create a better future while staying present for their families. So let's all welcome Sis Mary Ann. Hi, sis. Hi, sis.
Hello, Miss B. Yes. Thank you. I'm so honored that you've invited me in your podcast. I'm so because I've watched it all the time. Every time that I would see it, I watched it. I'm like so grateful that I have been in your podcast naman. Yay!
Yay. All right, sis. Can you tell me a little bit more of yourself?
Yeah, sure, no problem. So, hello for the friends and supporters of Miss B. I am Mary Ann. I'm originally from Manila, Philippines, and currently now in the still cold Ontario, Canada. So, I'm a mom of two, a wife. Like what Miss B have said, I am a full-time sales administrator and a part-time online business owner and mentor. So, yun. Ano pa bang short, yun lang muna.
All right. Okay, sis. So let's dive into just three questions for you for tonight. So let's start with what inspired you to start your online business journey while working full time? Take it away.
Naku, thank you naman sa question mo dyan, Miss B. Kasi ito yung madalas na tinatanong sa atin ng mga supporters natin, ng mga friends natin, di ba? So for me, I think the biggest inspiration talaga was realizing that having just one source of income is risky. Dati siguro, kampante na tayo, pero ngayon parang risky na. So, like what I've said, for many years, I was working full-time, stable naman yung job ko, di ba? And like most of us, I believe na if you work hard, everything will be okay. So, to be honest, I was grateful for my job because it helped support my family. Pero of course, like everybody has have experienced during the pandemic, right? I experienced something that really opened my eyes. So, I got laid off, 'di ba? Temporarily lang naman, pero I got laid off, pero 'di ba nakaka-scary. And that moment made me realize something na even stable jobs pala, suddenly, hindi siya certain, no? Alam mo yun, parang biglang uncertain na siya. So, yun yung wake-up call para sa akin. So, I started asking myself, paano pag nangyari na naman to, di ba? Do I have a backup plan? Ganyan, syempre, as a parent, right? That question really hit me hard. Kasi when you have kids and a family depending on you, you start thinking not just about today. Inisip mo yung future, di ba sis? So around that time, a close friend of mine actually introduced this to me. To be honest, at first, syempre skeptical ako. Pero hindi yung skeptical na, legit ba yan sis? Kasi kaibigan ko siya eh. So alam ko, legit. Yung skepticism is more so, kaya ko ba to? Yung ginagawa niya, like yung ginagawa ni
Yes.
natin ngayon, di ba parang nakaka-scary? Pero but what really inspired me to start was that this really realization. I don't want
Mhm.
to work hard for the rest of my life without building something for the future. So like I wanted something that could give another stream of income, of course, right? Something I could build even while keeping my full-time job, like what I'm doing right now. So and what I love about this online business is that I didn't have to quit my job to start, right? I was able
Yes.
to learn, grow, and build. Siyempre,
Mhm.
pag may free time tayo, ganyan. So, for me, siguro yung inspiration ko, yun yung wanting security, wanting options to build something for my family sa future. So, yun siguro yung inspiration ko, sis.
Wow! Yes, yes, marami makaka-relate today. Yes, definitely. Even you are working full-time, like what sis Mary Ann said, full-time job pa rin meron siya. Pero doing this business on the side. So it doesn't necessarily to quit your full-time job when you start your digital business. And yes, it's an inspiration to many and an eye-opener. Yes, sometimes iniisip natin na okay tayo sa ating trabaho, medyo kampante tayo, but look at what Sis Marianne is sharing, that one time na laid off siya, and then that's the time like, hey, I also really need a backup plan. So that backup plan is really a great idea. It's not actually, it's already a necessity right now. So having a backup plan is essential for us, even if we have a great job with good benefits. But right there and then, like a sharing from Sis Marianne, like we don't wanted to have a life uncertainties that comes our way before we even decide to do something for our future. So yeah, that's a great sharing, sis Mary Ann. So let's dive into the second question, that as a wife, a mom, and professional, how do you manage your time while building your online business?
So yan, isa pa yan sa mga tanong na tinatanong sa atin dun sa mga medyo naku-curious o ano bang ginagawa natin, di ba? So parang ako honestly, I always say this, it's a cliche, pero time management is not about having more time. It's
Yeah,
about using the time na meron ka.
yeah,
Yun, wag tayong maghahanap ng extra 24 hours. Hindi. 24 hours lang ang meron tayo, di ba? So yun, like many moms and professionals. So, siyempre, ang schedule ko, jam pack, di ba? 9 to 5, ganyan. So, wife, tapos mom, tapos iniintay ko yung free time pero hindi nangyayari, 'di ba? So yun yung yun ang nakatulong sa akin to learn how to maximize yung small pockets of the time ko yung meron ako. So kunwari for example, pagkagising ko sa umaga, 'di ba? So magpe-prayer ka, mag-gratitude ka, right? Kasi yun yung nakakatulong para i-tone up yung day mo 'di ba? Para maganda yung start. So yun,
yeah.
tapos prepare for work, check minsan ng messages related sa online business, 'di ba? Kasi nga small packets kung ano yung meron, siyempre isisingit natin 'yan. So during the
Mhm.
day, siyempre magfo-focus ako sa full-time job ko kasi baka naman yun naman yung mapahamak. Pero siyempre, meron tayong lunch break, 'di ba? Meron tayong mga
Mhm.
breaks. Doon meron, 'di ba, sis? Yung kunwari,
Mhm.
sis, ka bang collaborate tayo mamaya? Ganyan, 'di ba?
Yes.
Reply ka lang, 'di ba? So may time
Yes.
ka. And then sa gabi, yun yung family time namin muna. Magde-dinner,
Mhm.
ganyan. Yun dun ko dinededicate. And then, pagkatulog na sila, dun naman aariba ko, di ba? Parang ako hindi napanood na training, ganyan. O di kaya, meron tayong meeting or whatever, right? Doon ako naman umaariba pagkatulog na sila. Kasi yun talaga yung full blast yung business ko. So the good thing is, our business also provides training, di ba? Mentorship.
Mhm.
So I don't have to figure everything on my own kasi naka-laid out na eh. 'Di ba? Marami nang gumawa, susundan mo na lang. So may
Mhm.
training. Tapos pagka hindi ka naman naka-attend ng live, meron namang replay, 'di ba? So
Mhm.
important thing for me is involving my family in being realistic as well. So I don't try everything perfectly, 'di ba? Some days may
Mhm.
beats here, So, hindi ako nakaka-attend, mga ganyan, di ba? Pero what keeps me going is remembering, bakit nga ba ako nagsimula? Di ba? Basta
Yeah.
hanap, di ba? So, to just
Mhm.
create something better for my family. And for me, managing time really comes down to, yun nga, priorities, discipline, consistency. So, even it's just a little progress each day, progress pa rin yun. Di ba?
Yes. Wow. Wow, that is a very nice answer. And actually, nasabi mo na lahat as a super mom. So I salute all the moms there out there, guys. I salute you, sis, for that. Being a wife, a mom, a professional, and at the same time having this business. If those who are watching us right now, parang sasabihin nila, hindi ko talaga kaya yung business na yan kasi I'm so busy. So, lagi-lagi nating naririnig sa maraming tao na, well, hindi ko kaya yan sis, hindi ako kagaya mo, hindi ako kasing boka mo, hindi ko kaya yung, hindi ko yan personality. So, yan yung mga naririnig natin when we share this business. Pero mind you guys, hindi kailangan ng experience. You don't need to be like me or like any other or like sis Mary Ann here. You just need to be you. So yes, building this online business is there for our future, for the future of our family. And yes, definitely maraming makaka-relate sa mga nanonood ngayon as a mom like you sis, with a full-time job, may mga anak, may maraming kumbaga hats na nilalagay as an individual. Pero guys, we all have 24 hours. Walang tao na may 29 hours. So it's just a matter of time management and how you deal with it. So, bakit nga ba tayo naghanap? Bakit nga ba naghanap si Sis Mary Ann? Bakit ako naghanap ng isang online business? Because meron nga kaming world-class training para matutunan namin to maximize our time, to the little pockets of our time, gaya ng sabi ni Sis Mary Ann, to do this online or digital business. So that doesn't account na you are so busy at all. Kung si Sis Mary Ann nagawa niya ito, well, makakaya nyo rin. At kung nagawa ko to with a full-time job, so makakaya nyo rin. So thank you, Sis Mary Ann, for that wonderful question. So here we go for the last but not the least, number 3 question. What advice would you give to other moms or professionals who are thinking about starting an online or digital business but feel so unsure? Take it away.
Yes. So, siguro ako yung advice ko, no, based on my experience, it's okay to feel unsure. Yun. So, kasi most people who start something new, they feel like, yung nararamdaman ko rin noon di ba? When I first heard about this online business, I had a lot of doubts, right? I was asking myself like, kaya ko ba to? Yan, mga goon, mag-go live ako, kaya ko ba to? Yan, maboka, hindi naman ako maboka, ganyan, di ba? What if I fail? That's another thing. What if I don't have enough time? Like what we keeps on saying, di ba? And on top of that, I was already working full-time, di ba? Raising a family. So the uncertainty was real. But one thing I realize is growth always starts outside our comfort zone. Kasi walang growth kung komportable ka na di ba?
Mm-hmm.
So, if you wait until we feel 100% ready, most of the time, hindi ka na magsisimula na. Wala na. Hindi ka na magsisimula kung iintayin mo yun, di ba? So, siguro yung advice ko, which is na-apply ko rin siya sa aking experience, is start by being open to learning. Yun na lang muna. So you don't have to know everything right away. Diba? Like ako, wala akong business background, right? And hindi ko alam tong online business, ganyan. Hindi rin ako tech savvy, ganyan, diba? So, pero what helped me was joining the community. Yun ang pinaka-plus sa lahat. Tong community na to. Sobra yung mentorship, yung training, yung support. Because when you're surrounded by people who have the same mind as you, like, you know, para sa pamilya ko to, ganyan-ganyan. Yung learning tsaka yung growing together, it's easier. Diba? Mas madali siya. Yung another important mindset is you don't have to quit your job to start. Diba? Ako nga, who work pa rin, diba, kahit Miss B, pa rin.
Yes.
Diba? Many of us are building this while working full-time. Diba? You can start small, diba? Few hours in a day, diba? Ganyan. Pero it makes a difference na kasi, diba? And finally, I think another thing that is applicable as well is you're not just doing this for yourself. Diba? You're doing it for your family, for your future, at kung ano pa yung mga plano mo sa future, diba? So if you're thinking about exploring something new, ganyan, yung encouragement ko is wag kang magpapatalo sa fear.
Yeah.
Discovering something is possible kasi sometimes the opportunity can change your life start with one small decision na tinry mo. Yun.
Yeah, well said. Well said that on that last question, sis. Yes, definitely. Fear is just there as always. Fear is just an emotion. Yes, that's an emotion. And of course, marami tayong mga kinatatakutan. Unang-una, yung judgment ng ibang tao, yung fear natin within us, yung self-doubt, kaya ko ba? Parang hindi ako makapenetrate dyan, hindi ko alam ang gagawin ko or something to that effect. And yet, napakarami. Yung fear na yan, that will keep you stuck, and that will hold you back. So that will really hold you into your bigger dreams and all. And yes, that's really a great mindset to have, that why you even ventured into this business. You can just keep on going back to those reasons that you do have, that will push you to the limit, and why you even search for this business or another stream of income. So wow, that's a great part of doing this business, because in this business you are building an empire right now, and of course a legacy that you will leave to your families, or especially to your children. So sis, what would you tell our viewers right now who are watching us, and for those who are in the business and doesn't have any result yet, so what would you advise those people that are watching us right now?
Yun, dun sa mga natitrigger ng curiosity, 'di ba? Or for the longest time pinapanood si Miss B. 'Di ba? Na ano ba tong ginagawa ni Miss B? Pero ang tagal na niya, nanonood lang siya na nanonood, 'di ba? Parang kailangan mag-start tayo into something, 'di ba? And that is to ask the question, 'di ba? Paano ba to magsisimula? And like what Miss B has been saying is the webinar, right? Complimentary naman siya, walang mawawala. Kung hindi ka maka-attend ng live, edi panoorin mo yung replay. Kasi ako personally, yun ang ginawa ko, hindi ako ma-attend ng live. Nanood lang ako ng replay kasi gusto ko siyang i-pause, magte-take down notes ako para babalik ako dun sa coach mentor ko. Ano ba tong sinasabi niya? Para mas maintindihan ko. Kasi hindi tayo makapag-formulate ng mga proper questions kung hindi pa natin napapanood yung complimentary webinar. Palagi na lang tayo magbe-base on sa sinasabi ng iba, online business yan, red flag. Diba? Pero dapat kasi you have to do your due diligence muna. And whatever Miss B and I have been saying all the time, right? Kayo naman ang magde-desisyon nun, diba? Pero para nga makapag-decide kayo, kailangan research din muna tayo. Like any traditional business, diba? Para makita nyo rin, is this something fit for me? Is this something that will fit my lifestyle? O di kayo, you know what? Kung hindi talaga pwede sa inyo, okay lang, wala namang pilitan to diba? Nagsasabi lang sa akin na merong options. Tapos kung may lang kayo na naghahanap, pwede nyo i-share sa kanila, diba? And for those people naman na siguro hindi pa nakakaramdam ng kahit anong parang wala pa silang milestone or like nakikita nilang growth sa kanila, is basta porsige lang ng porsige. At palagi lahat ng doubt na darating sa isip natin, palagi na lang ang yung tanong na yon, tanungin mo rin ng bakit nga ba ako nagsimula? lahat. Yung lahat-lahat yun, bakit ba ka nagsimula, di ba? And then, dun muna, di magiging hype ka na naman, aariba ka na naman ulit. So, kaya natin yan, wag lang mag-quit.
Yeah, that is so great, sis. So, hang on a second. There you go. So, definitely, nasabi na ni Sis Mary Ann ang reasons niya and the digital journey niya, real life, real story in having this digital business. And this is my final word for that. Mary Ann's journey reminds us that it's possible to grow, learn new skills, and create opportunities even with a busy life. So every small step forwards bring us closer to the life we dream of for ourselves and for our families. So, hang on a second. There you go. So, again and again, medyo naglolo ko ang aking mouse. There you go. So, for those who are watching us right now, guys, you have a chance, and this is a chance for you to check. So, right now, we are inviting you to watch that complimentary webinar that you can see and learn new skills about launching your own digital business. So you can see in our screen both our business website. You can register to whoever you wanted to. We are here of the same mission to help other people as well. So guys, once again, thank you for watching and for viewing and for watching and for supporting my business page. So thank you once again, Sis Mary Ann, for this amazing business live interview with you. And thank you for saying yes when I asked it for invitation. And thank you once again and for your help and for our community that keeps on thriving. And of course, we are here to each other. And there you go, guys. So we are here to stay and we are here to help you. We are your mentors and be your guide to your digital journey. So we'll say, have a great day, and we'll say, go, 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 and God bless everyone. And thank you once again, Mary Ann, and have a great night. Bye for now. God bless everyone.